Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we are trying some exotic chips. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. It does help me. Let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody and their mamas know.
Let your cousin know, let Stephanie know, let Ashley know, let Cookies know.
And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I know my hair looks freaking crazy, okay?
But when does it not look crazy?
Ooh, it's golden hour. Today we are trying, you know what guys? I can't even read this. These Cheetos. I think these Cheetos are like steak flavor. I think this is in, I don't even know what language. Maybe it's Chinese. It says Cheeto corn snacks, Japanese artificial steak flavor. Okay, today we are trying steak flavored Cheetos. Have a good look at this. Also, I have another flavor. This looked like it's drumstick flavor, and it says American turkey. So this is an American turkey flavor right here. Tell me in the comments below which one you think is better, which one tastes better. I'm gonna think the steak is going, I don't know. I think the chicken's gonna taste better because a lot of stuff has like chicken seasoning on it. Okay, let me go ahead and try the steak one first.
These are actually pretty hard to open and there's a lot of air in it.
You know what this reminds me of? The smell reminds me of ramen noodles. So if you're getting like ramen that's like beef flavor, that's what this smells like. It smells like the seasoning. Let me see if I can show you guys. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Wow. So Cheetos steak flavor. Cheers! It's sweet. Why is this Cheeto sweet? I didn't know steak is sweet. So, have you guys had the organic Cheeto Puffs? The white one, white cheddar? That's basically like this flavor, but with brown sugar on it. Yeah, it doesn't taste like a Cheeto you would think of. I'm gonna rate these like a 6 out of 10. I wouldn't pick it if I was in the store, but if it was there, I would eat it. It's like if somebody brought it to a party, I would eat it. But I wouldn't pick it. And it doesn't taste like steak at all. It just tastes like a sweet Cheeto. Alright, let's try the turkey, American turkey Cheeto. And there's a picture of the turkey drumstick. At least they packaged this with a lot of air so it doesn't rip. Wow, these Cheetos are big. America, y'all need to make Cheetos this big. Just look at it, it looks so good. I love how big these Cheetos are. This one doesn't smell like anything. I knew it. It tastes like ramen noodles. It tastes like those ramen cup noodles in those, what is it, Marachuan? exactly like basically the seasoning that's on the noodles, and it's in a chip form. Well, it's okay. Definitely exotic, that's for sure. I'm gonna rate this one also a 6 out of 10. I wouldn't go out my way to buy it. I would, if it was there, I would eat it, but I wouldn't go out my way to buy it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, if you guys have tried this, let me know what you guys think. It's definitely exotic. It's definitely different, but I'm definitely a huge extra hot Cheeto girl fan, and also the jalapeno cheddar girl fan as well. This one's not like that good, you know? Anyways, that is all for my video. I kept it really simple and short and sweet for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Press the notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!